Blood is a circulating tissue composed of fluid, plasma and cells. Blood is a fluid that transports oxygen and nutrients to the cell and carries away carbon dioxide and other waste products. Blood is made up of two parts, plasma and blood corpuscles. Plasma is constituting 55% of blood and the blood cells constitute the 45% of blood. There are the three types of blood cells, red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. First we will see the properties of blood. Blood volume is 5 to 6 liters. The viscosity is 4 to 5 times more than water. The taste of blood is salty and the color is red due to the presence of hemoglobin inside RBC. Function of blood is respiration, in transportation of nutrients, in excretion, in defensive function, maintenance of water, electrolytes balance, and regulation of body temperature. Plasma. Plasma, the fluid portion of blood is plasma. The watery straw-colored fluid portion of the lymph and the blood in which the leukocytes, erythrocytes and platelets are suspended. The function of plasma protein is to maintain ESR and helps in transport of liquid hormones, that is Fe, Cu, drugs, etc. Source can be the exogenous or endogenous. Red blood cell. RBC is circular, biconcave and non-nucleated disc. Normal count in adult male is 4.5 to 5.5 million per cubic millimeter of blood, and the adult female, the RBC count is 4 million to 5 million per cubic millimeter of blood, and in the newborn it is 6 to 7 million. The features of erythrocytes are the size and shape of biconcave, which is a lifespan of 120 days. The function of RBC, it contains antigen for blood groups, and RBC contains hemoglobin which carries O2 from lungs to tissue and CO2 from tissue to the lungs. Hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a complex protein, iron compound in the blood that carries oxygen and carbon dioxide. Each erythrocyte contains 200 to 300 molecules of hemoglobin. Normal value in the female and the male are around 12 to 18 gram per 100 milliliter of blood. But at the birth, the hemoglobin is up to 23 gram per 100 ml of blood. The function of hemoglobin, it is reserves iron, it is an important blood buffer. WBC. White blood corpuscle is a rounded colorless cell of blood which is responsible for body immunity. The features of WBCs are the normal size, it is of 12 micron, and the normal count is 4000 to 11,000 per cubic millimeter of blood. The lifespan of WBCs is few hours to few days. The production in bone marrow and lymphatic tissue. The function of WBC is it acts as a scavenger and antihistamine function, secretion of heparin, and it is a phagocytosis in nature. Thrombocytes or platelets. Platelets is a disc-shaped small blood cell which encourages the coagulation of blood. Platelet is the shape of oval and rounded with a diameter of 1 to 4 meter, and the nucleus is absent. The normal count of platelets is 1.5 to 3 lakh per cubic millimeter of blood, and the lifespan is about 8 to 12 days. The function are repairing capillary endothelium and initiate blood clotting. The blood clotting factors. There are the blood clotting factor 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and parakallikrein, and the high molecular weight kininogen and platelets. Pathway of blood coagulation is intrinsic or extrinsic pathway. Intrinsic pathway is for internal hemorrhage and the extrinsic pathway is for external hemorrhage. Blood groups. Tipping of the human blood based on presence of antigen on the cell surface of RBC is known as blood group. Principal blood group system is ABO system, based upon the group specific substances agglutination presence in RBC membrane. RH system based upon the presence or absence of RH antigen in blood. M and N system, used in determination of paternity. Classical blood group is a ABO system of blood are called classical. Agglutinogen is a polysaccharide that is present in the cell membrane of RBC. Blood group A, the agglutination in plasma beta and agglutination in RBC is A. Universal receiver. According to ABO blood group system, group AB can receive moderate amount of blood from all other groups of ABO system, so it is known as the universal receiver. Universal donor. According to ABO blood group of system, group O can donate moderate amount of blood to all other groups of ABO system, So it is known as universal donor. Thank you for your patient listening.